Today we'll discuss about a engineering construction infrastructure related stock. As I discussed before with the all the stock analysis that I already have bullish sign. I already have bullish thinking on the infrastructure related stocks. So we're talking about we'll do the analysis of Delhi Bitcoin today, and from the fundamental, basic fundamental to all the technicals, all the price range we'll discuss properly. So there's just a request to see watch the video till the end. Hello दोस्तों, this is Market Delight. So welcome to the Delhi Bitcoin stock analysis today. Correct. So on the daily Bitcoin fundamental analysis, if I am doing that thing, then I'll get that market capitalization on 3858, means it's a small cap company, and ROC stands with 16.63. Then it's a good sign. Correct. If you are comparing with the competitors, all the peers, then we'll get 17.02 from the last 5 years ROC average. Correct. And here you can see that other companies have less than 15. Yeah, the 15, near about 15. Correct. Or MEP infrastructure have the last 5 year ROC 16.88. So as per the competition, you can get the good PE and good sectoral ROC on in the case of the Delhi Bitcoin. Correct. And the promoter holding is so good, that is 75%. But in case of the debt, it has a negative sign. Correct. Or debt to equity ratio comes to 2.62. That's so bad. Correct. Then place percentage is 28.64. That is too bad. So there's a three consecutively negative points consist of this company. Correct. Then if you are coming to the free cash flow for the last 3 years, then you will get minus, means negative cash flow. And second, for the 5 years also, this comes to the negative, means company cash flow, free cash flow is on negative. Let's go to the profit and loss statement. Here profit and loss says that it is consistently growing up to 2018. Then after it comes down by 50 crore, right, 30 crore you can say. Then after that, from the last 12 months, you can say that it goes down by 100 crores. Correct. So now it's decreasing, you can say. And if you are asking for the summary of the fundamental is too bad, you can say. And the financial is also so not so good. And in case of the promoter holding also, place percentage was there. Correct. In the case of the ROC, and you will get the only the positive sign. Correct. Then let's come to the technical view, what technicals are saying. So on the case of the technical, you can say that one sec. If I come into the 1 day chart, then you will see that there is this consolidation mode, you can observe here. So after that consolidation, there is a expectation movement towards up. Correct. And if you want to confirm it, where should be the movement, then you should come to the 1 week chart. Then 1 week shows that it after this consolidation, it also started a upward movement. Correct. But in the 1 month, there is no such a signal for the you can say for the bull run. Correct. Then you will get some up move, like 300 340 range here, right. So on this, only on this segment, only on this chart pattern, we should not conclude our view. We should do the analysis for all the rest, technical analysis. Correct. Technical term. So on the case of the 2200, you can see that here the negative trend are continuing. Correct. There is no bullish signal for the long term vision. So you are not you are not able to conclude here about the long term view. Correct. So if you are coming to the chart pattern of the candlestick, then you will get a negative sign here also, because it trades below the 119 319. And if this crosses, if the chart, if the price crosses 319 with a good volume, then after we'll get a confirmation for the bullish signal. But still we are waiting for that. But after that, we should conclude here that we will get a negative here, a negative from the this price level. Correct. So you should, if you have any position on that, you should sell it out, and you should book some loss as per your concern. Then because it may touch its all time low, that is, you can say, that is 203 200 level, correct? So if you are coming to the divergence, then the higher high on the price section, then lower high on the volume section, you can say this is the bearish divergence. And from the last, you can say, from the 1 month, so it will continue its bearish trend up to some extent, because the effect of the divergence will be shown for the further, right? So if you are coming to the Nifty point of view, if you are coming to the coefficient correlation with the Nifty, then it will come with a good volume, right? 0.81 is the CC, that is coefficient correlation coefficient. Already video has done already in the playlist, correct? You can see how this is calculated, and how we'll take the decision on that. So as per your Nifty view, you should have the view on the daily Bitcoin as well. So you can do the trade, you can do the swing trade according to this thing, correct? So let us summarize all the thing. Financial and fundamental are too weak, you can say, and only the one thing it shows the bullish, and that is 5813, correct? On the three time frame, 1 day, 1 week, and 1 month, correct? Then if you are coming to the 2200, then you will see that there is a complete triangle pattern here, and the below triangle pattern, if it tends to complete this triangle pattern, then you will get a 229 level, 230 level for good for the investment. But still you need to re-verify your fundamental and financial as well. And if you are coming to the candlestick, then the 319 is the level. 319, if it crosses 319 with a good volume, then you will get a good return on your investment, right? But still it is on the negative, and we're expecting that the lower level can touch in a small time span, correct? Divergence also bearish for the month divergence. The higher high shows that it will continue its bearish trend up to 200 level, right? It will up to some extent, correct? For the Nifty point of view, we can say, as per the Nifty, you should plan your investment on the daily Bitcoin, correct? So these are all the technical things, technical analysis, and all the summaries. If you are able to understand these things, because I'm putting my voice, I'm applying my voice on the technical analysis for the first time, right? So I need to improve on that. I need to improve my communication as well, and I need a support as well, because as for your concern, as for your suggestion, we're improving, correct? So if the video is good, then put a like button, and if any suggestion, then the comment section is all for you. And please take care of you, your family, and your portfolio. Thank you so much.